the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled it along the byway, and more, much more than this, 'cause I'll did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again, the few to mention, I'll do what I had to do, and so through, without exemption, I blame each child, of course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, 'cause I'll did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm so new when I've been all much more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I gave it up and speak out. I faced it all when I stood door and did it my way. I've learned and cried. I had my fear, my share.